I got a 2014 Mercedes Benz 2500 Sprinter with a 2.1 turbo diesel. We're just getting a clicking sound on the starter. The starter, you can't even really see, is down here behind this cover. You have to remove the whole Catalytic converter and all the piping past the turbo. There's a band clamp here. You have to unclip this. There's another clip you have to take off. You have to take a E10, and down here will be a T30 Torx bit. You have to take off the sensors. You have to unplug this. That's the T30. You have to take off the O2 sensor computer underneath the factory frame. That's bolted on. You have to take the band clamp off, and the front O2 sensor. And then you can finally get to the starter. Also, if you can see, I'll try to point it out with this since they're far away. Right here, there's a bolt, and right there's a bolt. That's the starter bolt, and that's the starter bolt. You take those two off, and then finally, you can get up in here, move the shield, and there, my friends, is the starter. That's how you have to get to the starter on this motor. There is no way to get the starter out without taking the exhaust